Falcon's up there in the latest patch. Well, oh, he started that up there. Oh. Falco couldn't get up high enough. Pop that balloon. I would have went off stage. Falco's down airs. Very confused. Not enough. Now, this is a general area percentage where it's hard to kill. By 2. Have to hit with it and it smashes it. The down smash is kill. Barely not making it, even with that up throw. Up there. Oh, and a dash attack at the end of the stage. Okay, that's good enough. That's good enough. That's good enough. That's stop. Entering his options, just an up tilt. He was trying an up smash there. That's a good idea. Oh, that up smash. That's the up smash, and that's game 1. Mario. Oh, that was LetsTickle. Or just got tickled.
Survival. Luigi.
Oh, Luigi, you know? Mr. Misfire better be getting some misfires. Or I'm gonna call him a fraud. He's better gonna miss. I want to see at least one misfire in game 2. Going to Delfino Plaza. I'm not a huge fan of this stage, but it looks really nice. It looks very pretty.
1, go!
Jumping right into game 2. Dangerous part of the stage. You can send up too high!
Yes! Oh my god, that's a stock!
Feeling lowers whenever it's transforming. So right there with that green, right up into the blast. Transformation, like right here, low ceiling, and then you're good. Oh, it's a weird stage. You go through the bottom and then up smash. Now we're back at 1-to-1 stop. It's a really odd transformation. I mean, hard to die on. Unless we have Fireball Dittos. This is how we play Luigi Dittos. Oh my goodness. One of the most hype stuff I've ever seen with Luigi in this video game. Go what? Fireballs! Ah! Fireballs! Another fireball denies him. Entry. Dash attack. Ooh, not a misfire, not a misfire. We want a misfire. From Mr. Misfire. Another odd transformation. How are they going to deal with it this time? More fireballs? Are we actually playing? We're playing! Now it's a walk-off. There's actually a wall on that side of the stage. You can tech with that back throw. No! He has good enough DI. That was a misfire. Oh, he didn't deck! Oh my goodness. And now, we're going to go towards game 3.
Bang, bang. Luigi.
LetsTickle. That fireball ditto. That was I'm not sure. It really depends on the stage. I think that stage decided a little bit of that game. Especially the first with the ceiling, and then with the walk-off. Oh, not sure. I'm hearing Omega Luigi's Mansion. Now that's it. That's very fitting. Luigi on Luigi.
3, 2, 1, go!
A lot of the Omega stages look great. Oh. Fireballs, trying to poke around with fireballs. Forward airs. Forward air is great. Ooh. Pressing at the ledge. Having a cliff fight? Oh, that's Shoryuken! But he's living. He wasn't at a high percent. He wasn't high enough to die. Yeah, it was good enough. No. Never been nerfed. Nope. It did do a little bit to Luigi's down throw, as you can see it does more. But, you know, Misfire has some rage, and LetsTickle has, wasn't at that high of a percent. Ash, no, he's DI. He's got a good DI. What was he going to do out of it? Nah, I'm going to back throw. They're both at somewhat high percent of this. Not a misfire. A tornado, that was interesting, and he does not live. That was interesting to watch. Did not recover. Did Luigi wall jump? No. Back to the other and wall. That would really help his recovery, because it's so linear, right? Without accounting green tornado. That's probably one of the best parts. The green. Ooh. Oh my god! He could not tech that. LetsTickle takes the set. I'll be playing Misfire later. Yes. Oh no, LetsTickle. Game 3. Wow. That was a great